lucky little duck as usual.
All right, Al, don't bother him. He's playing with Nellie. He says, come on, Nellie, we need to play.
Morning time, let's play. He likes to play. So does now, so that's good. I like the way they were running around the thing.
Eleanor, don't chase him.
There they go, they're running around again. Now you running too backwards. You were running backwards.